Good morning, doctor. My name is Lo Hang Jun, and I will present a prohibited transportation problem by using stepping stone method. And this is the question. And for the first one, I need to develop a network representation for this problem. So the network representation, like this, we get it from the table, like A1 equal to 16, A2 is M, A3 is 12, and B1 is 14, B2 is 8, B3 is 18, and C1 is 26, C2 is M, and C3 is 16. Okay, so for the question 2, we need to write the mathematical formulation for this transportation model. So we just get it back from the question, like means Z equal to 16xa1 plus mxa2 plus 12xa3 plus 14xb1 and continuous. And also we need to write down the supplier formulation, like xa1 plus xa2 plus xa3 equal to 200. And also need to write the demand formulation, like xa1 xb1 plus xc1 equal to 180, and we continuous write all the formulation below. And for question 3, I use this cost method to find the solution. So the least cost method, we need to find this one from this table, and we get it here is 8 is the least one. So from this, we need to find the supplier or demand, which one is more least. So the 120 is this one, so we write down here 120, and here we minus 180 become 0, and here also minus 180 become 40, and here we just fill in the blank because it is full already. And next, we need to find the second lowest, and it is 12. So from here, we need to find which one is the least. So we know 150 is the least one, so we write down 150 here, and here minus 150 become 50, and here just fill in the blank because it is full already. And then next step, also same, we find the least one is 14. So here and here, the 40 is most least, so we write down 40, and here minus 40 become 140, and here fill in the blank because it is full already, and we continuous do the same step until all is filled in the blank. So next step, we need to use the stepping stone method to find the optimal value. So for this one, M is infinity, and for xb3 we plus 18 minus 14 and plus 16 minus 12, and the answer we get is 8. And also for this is infinity because it's M, and for the xc3 we plus 16 minus 26 plus 16 minus 12, and we get the negative 6. And from this formula we get 1 is negative, so we need to do it again until all is. So we need to do a new table, and we find xc3 is a negative 6, and from 90 and 150 we find which one is the least one, and 90 is the least one. So here we minus 19, and here also minus 19, and add 19 at here, and also at here. And this is a new table, and here become 19, and here become 140, and here become 60, and here become 0, and other one just follow back the previous table. So from the table we need to do again the stepping stone method. Okay, so for this, m is infinity, and for xb3 is plus 18 minus 40 and plus 16 minus 12, and we get the answer is 8. And also for the xc1, we plus 26 minus 16 plus 12, and also minus 16, and we get the answer is 6. And also xc2 is m, so it's infinity. So here all is positive, so we can count the final answer. So the final answer, we just use 140 multiplied by 16 plus 16 multiplied by 12 plus 40 multiplied by 14 plus 120 multiplied by 8, and also plus 19 multiplied by 16. So the answer we get is 5,920.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Sabina binti Zainal, AP200332. I will present about Modi method for question 1. For this method, we will use formula UI plus VJ equal Cij. First, we have to look this. Is m plus n minus 1. Is m is referred to number of row plus n number of column. So m is 3 and n is 3. Minus 1 is get 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, for find value for U1, U2, U3, V1, V2, V3, we have to use this form. UI is present for U1, U2, U3 for each row. VJ is V1, V2, V3 is each column. For Cij is refer or present to cost allocated cell. First, we have to look the first row that have allocated cell. This one, this one. So we have to put 0 in here and to get 16 for Cij. 16 is Cij. So to get 16, we have to put value for V1 is 16. So 0 plus 16 get 16. This one, we have to put 12 to get 12. So 0 plus 12 get 12. Next, look for the second row. This one, this one. For to get 14, the value V1 is 16. So to get 14, we have to put negative 2 in U2. So negative 2 plus 16 get 14. For this one is Cij 8. To get 8, the value for U2 is negative 2. So we have to put 10 in here to get 8. Negative 2 plus 10 get 8. For the third row is Cij 16. The value for V3 is 12. So we have to put U3 is 4 to get 16. 4 plus 12 is 16. For the next step, we have to calculate penalty for key Ij for unallocated cell. XA2, XA2, XB3, XC1, XC2. For XA2, the Cij is m. For UI is 0 and V2 is 10. So m minus 0 minus 10, you will get infinity. For xb3 is 18 minus for negative 2 and minus for 12, you will get 8. For xc1, 26 minus 4 minus 16, you will get 6. And lastly, xc2, m for Cij, ui is 4 and 10 for Vj. So m minus 4 minus 10, you will get infinity. You get infinity for xc2 and xa2 is because m is a large number. Finally, we have to look all the answer. If show all positive is mean optimal solution. So we have to calculate all the allocated cell. Plus of them, you will get 5920.
Now I'll go through the embedded assignment problem. This is the question. The question is, a company have 5 machines that are used for 4 jobs. Each job can be assigned to one and only one machine. This is a table of an assignment problem 4 by 5 matrix based on the question. In the table, we have jobs and machine. In this column, we have 4 jobs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the row we have 5 machines, A, B, C, D, E. Next step, we need to ending dummy at row D5 because there is unbalanced assignment. So we need to put dummy at row D5 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then we need to minus of minimum number. Now I will count the minus the minimum of the number. 5 minus 5 I get 0, 7 minus 5 I get 2, 11 minus 5 I get 6, 6 minus 5 I get 1, 7 minus 5 I get 2. So then I count the minus. This is the new table after I count the minus of the minimum number. So this is the new table after we minus, and then we need to draw minimum number of line to cover all the zero. I already cover all the zeros. Since the draw of the line not same with order of the matrix, this means not optimum. So we need to select the leaf value from the uncovered element, which is 1. Then we subtract the uncovered value and add to the value at the interesting lines. So I already make another table. It's still not optimum, so we need to do the adding and subtract again. Now we do it again, the new another table. So we already have number of line draw same with order matrix. So this meaning is the optimum is already reached. After this, we need to assign the jobs to machines. Lastly, I need to assign the jobs to machine. I make easy and simple. Do like this. Job 1, 2, 3, 4, D5, machines A, B, C, D, E, cost 5, 5, 3, 2, 0. How I get this cost? I get from the first table 0, cos 5, 0, 5, 0, 3, 0 is equal to 0, 0. Then and lastly, final, we need to count 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 0. The answer is 15. Total